Welcome to LinuxCert.Guru, the all-in-one platform for mastering Linux through real, hands-on learning, featuring more than 45 RHCSA Labs and a full RHCSA Mock Exam to test your readiness. Each lab includes a clear overview and a comprehensive downloadable PDF filled with detailed, step-by-step instructions that guide you through every stage of the task, whether you choose to work online or offline, and is further supported by a full walkthrough video that demonstrates the process in real time, ensuring you always have visual guidance and expert help whenever you feel stuck or need clarification. Launch a lab and wait for the environment to load, then follow the guided steps, many of which are automatically graded to verify that you've completed each task correctly. You can copy and paste commands using Mozilla Firefox for convenience, and once you've finished all the tasks, simply mark the steps as complete and close the session. Go to your profile to check your progress, where you can see your lab attempts, completion status, and overall learning activity. You can also perform GUI labs, such as password reset. Simply choose the nearest region and launch the lab. Once the environment loads, follow the guided steps, access the desktop interface, and complete each task. When you're finished, stop the session to save your progress. Now move on to the RHCSA mock test. This features 10 tasks, which is similar to real RHCSA exam. Unlike regular labs, you can skip tasks if needed. Complete the task to increase score. Check whether you've passed or failed each task, and once everything is completed, click I am done, submit. After submitting, a pop-up displays what you attempted, your score, and your progress. You can retry the mock test anytime, and each attempt lets you download the solution PDF. You can also try labs beyond the syllabus to further develop and strengthen your skills. When you complete 80% of the labs, you can claim your certificate, edit the name, download it, or share it straight to Twitter or LinkedIn. We also provide a mock exam that is a true replica of the actual certification exam. This requires an additional payment, and each purchase gives you one attempt. You can explore the full exam environment, read all the instructions, and review a detailed feedback report before purchasing. You'll find more than 20 RHC labs, complete with guided steps and full walkthrough videos, and after finishing 80% of the labs, you can claim your certificate. We also provide a full set of LFCS labs with guided steps and walkthrough videos, and once you complete 80% of them, you can claim your certificate. We also offer LPIC-1 Labs for hands-on practice, along with module-wise mock quizzes and a full mock exam to test your readiness. For CompTIA Linux Plus, we provide 4 module-wise practice quizzes and 1 full mock exam to evaluate your readiness. You can view the pricing page and see a direct comparison table that clearly shows what's included in the free, premium, and premium plus plans. Join our Discord server to get the latest updates and receive help whenever you need it. Begin your path to Linux mastery with LinuxCert.Guru and unlock the skills you need to succeed.